Alright guys, I'm going to show you with surface area what happens if you are missing one of your 3 dimensions that we need, but you're given the surface area right here. You'll have some IXL problems like this and possibly some checkpoint problems. What you're going to notice, I have a different formula here. This formula can also be used to find your surface area. This is just a little bit more basic one. This can only be used with your cubes and your rectangular prisms. It does not work with your triangular prisms. That's why you don't see this one very often. But from what I looked at with IXL, it looks like we're only finding the missing part of a rectangular prism or a cube. So here we go. I have everything drawn out, and I recommend at least using the 3 different colors to help you out on this one. That way we can color coordinate what we're plugging in. So we're going to go ahead, and if you see here, we have the surface area is 2 times the length times width, because you have 2 of those sides. Okay, and then you have 2 times the length times the height, because you're going to have 2 of those sides, the front and the back, and then 2 times the width times the height, because you're going to have 2 sides over here. Okay, so we start off with our surface area that we're told is 286. So we're going to put 286. That will be equal to 2 times, we have our length, which is 9, times our width of 5. We're going to add 2 times, we will have our length again, which is 9. Our height, if we notice, is the missing 1. So instead of putting the multiplication dot here, I know that anything times a letter, we just put the 2 together. You can either use the H or you can use the X in this case. We'll have 9x plus 2 times, again, we've got the 5 here for our width. This is why I color coordinated it, times our height, again, of that x. Okay, so we're going to start kind of consolidating everything here and combining stuff. Here we know that 9 times 5 is going to come out to 45. All right, I'm going to go ahead and write that there. So when I bring this down, I'm going to have 286 still is equal to 2 times 45 is going to give me 90, plus 2 times 9x, we have 2 9x's, meaning 18x, plus 2 times 5x is going to give me plus 10x. So now we need to make sure that we combine our like terms that we have here. Okay, bring everything else down. We have 286 is equal to 90 plus 18 plus 10 gives us 28 x's. And then we just go through and we solve like normal. Subtract 90, I'm going to go fast, subtract 90 from both sides. We're going to wind up with 196 is equal to 28x. Divide both sides by 28. X, or your missing height there, is going to come out to 7 inches. All right, so that's how we can work that backwards.